Today in this video, we're talking about very inexpensive tablet floor stands that, among other things, will allow you to lay on the couch, lay down in bed, essentially relax in a comfortable position, and watch TV shows and movies on your tablet. Hey guys, it's Sam with The Blind Life. Welcome back to the channel where I help you learn how to live your best blind life. I've talked about this before, and it's kind of a funny thing in the low vision community that if you walk into the house of someone with low vision, chances are there is a rather uncomfortable chair right next to the television. And that's because if we want to watch TV, we want to watch movies, we've got to get close. So that means sitting in a chair up by the TV. And unfortunately, that also means that we are often separated from our family members that are sitting on the comfy couches behind us. Over the years, I've come up with lots of different ways for us to sit on those comfy couches with our family members and enjoy the movie like everyone else. So I'm always looking for cheaper DIY alternatives. And recently, I saw one of these guys on Amazon. This is just a tablet holder that is designed to sit on the floor and even designed to kind of slide underneath the legs of a couch, the legs of a chair. And the best part is these are not expensive. I think I got this thing for like 30 bucks on Amazon. Of course, I'll have a link in the video description down below. That is an affiliate link, yes. So if you do click on that and then make a purchase, The Blind Life will get a very tiny, Amazon will toss a couple pennies at us. Literally, that's all it is. But every little bit helps and we appreciate that. Anyway, I saw this on there and I thought, this might be a good option. This could allow me to lie in bed and watch TV or at least watch Netflix. It's a very simple design and it's not terrible quality. I mean, it's not like this wasn't built by NASA or anything like that, but it's not too bad. It's what you would expect for like 30 bucks on Amazon. I did look around. Some of these tablet stands have specific size tablets that they can accommodate. I found this one that could hold my giant 12.9-inch iPad Pro. And I figured that if it could hold the iPad Pro, it would probably be able to hold just about any tablet out there. It's super easy. It's just a spring-loaded clamp here. And then you have 5 points of adjustment on here, or 5 points of articulation. The first is the center rod here. This can raise up. I should probably measure how tall this gets. Hang on a second.
A few minutes later.
Okay, I couldn't find my upstairs tape measure, so I had to go all the way downstairs. This is the kind of dedication I bring to my videos. And that is about 30 inches tall. And that is just the center pole here. This articulating arm, which is basically just a microphone stand, this can also raise up to a maximum height of around 20 inches. So fully extended, standing straight up, it's about 50 inches tall. Of course, if you want this arm to reach forwards at all, you're gonna lose some height. The arm does reach forwards, and you can get about 20 inches of reach there as well. You can also rotate this arm 360 degrees. The clamp can rotate completely around, and it can also pivot up and down. All of these articulation points can be tightened up. So once you get it in the position that you want it in, you are able to lock it into place. The base is solid metal and it does have some weight to it. So even with my heavy iPad on here, it's pretty solid. Now, I will say that if I fully extend this out and let go, it is going to tip forward. So in this situation, I might put something heavy on the base to hold it down. There's a ton of things I can think of that you could use this stand for. Obviously, sitting in a nice comfy chair, getting the tablet right here in front of you so you could watch a movie completely hands-free. Lying in bed watching a movie, that's probably gonna be the main thing that I'm gonna use this for. But I could totally see this being really helpful for musicians. If you need to follow sheet music on your tablet and a traditional stand is just too far away, this is gonna be great because it can reach over the instrument. If your eyes are a little bit better than mine, maybe you could use this for some kind of script, like a teleprompter. If you were a podcaster or content creator like myself, just the ability to raise this up and then get it into whatever position is going to work the best for your situation, I think it's great. One place that I've been using the tablet holder is on my new recliner, the FlexiSpot X2 dual motor power recliner. Let's talk about what makes this chair special. It's powered by dual motors, which means you can adjust the backrest and the footrest independently. Want to sit with your feet up or fully reclined and relaxed? It's no problem because you're in control. The padding in the backrest is fantastic. It's like reclining on a pillow. The upholstery is super comfortable, and the gray color that I got is gonna fit perfectly in any living room or home theater. This recliner, which would be great for gaming, for a theater room, or for just lounging around watching television, has dual motors. And since it has dual motors, you might think it will be twice as loud, but quite the opposite. The motors are actually very quiet. And I'm happy to report that the recliner's controller has tactile buttons. This is going to be fantastic for all my fellow VIPs out there. Now, one thing to note, this recliner is on the smaller side. I'm a big guy, I'm 6 foot, and I more or less sit on the recliner rather than sit in the recliner, if you know what I mean. So definitely pay attention to the measurements on the Amazon page to make sure it's going to be the right size for you. So if you're ready to upgrade your relaxation, definitely check out the FlexiSpot X2 dual motor power recliner chair, now available on Amazon. I'll have a link in the video description down below, and a huge thank you to FlexiSpot for sponsoring this video. So, yet another DIY solution for managing low vision. If you guys are interested in this, of course, I'll have a link in the video description down below. I'll also put that in the pinned comment. Of course, if you're not able to access that, you could literally just go to Amazon and put in floor tablet stand, and you'd probably find a ton of these. Either way, check it out, and I hope it works for you. That's it, guys. Thank you as always for watching. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. If you like the video, hit the like button. And of course, subscribe. I put out content like this every single Saturday. That's it, guys. Sam with The Blind Life. I will see you next time.